How effective is Welsh immersion education? Well, our thematic report goes into detail on this, but overall we come to positive conclusions about Welsh immersion education. We say that nearly all learners demonstrate positive attitudes to learning Welsh during the immersion education process. They take part in sessions enthusiastically, and they take pride in the progress they make in developing the confidence to speak Welsh. With regards specifically to early immersion, most learners develop their Welsh language skills well, and this supports them to make further progress across the areas of learning in Key Stage 2. Most learners who complete intensive late immersion programs attain a suitable level of proficiency to succeed in Welsh medium education.